My name is Andrew Wilkerson here with igus, our industry manager for Cleanrooms at Semiconductors. I want to take some time to talk about our eSkin flat solution today, the igus solution for customized cleanroom cables with no minimum order quantity. Featuring an openable pod design, we're able to replace existing assemblies that you may have and transition over to the eSkin flat, or you're able to do maintenance when you have one single cable break instead of having to replace the full run. Whether it's simple eSkin or needing an ESD solution, we're going to have you covered. All the way from 1-layer designs up to complex 6-layer designs with 6 pods in each layer. Featuring multiple different pod sizes, we're able to customize the solutions based off the cable needs that you have. If we want to achieve the ISO Class 1 level rating still, we're able to go up to a maximum of 3 layers deep. For more information, click the link below and contact your igus expert today. Thanks for watching.